Good morning, I am Maria Victoria Cedeño Vidales, and following what my study associate Jairo Ignacio Fonnegra said in activity number 3 of the subject Occupational Health Standards and Occupational Risk, it should also be borne in mind that the importance of corporate ethical and social responsibility as a determinant of comprehensive legal responsibility for occupational risk and occupational safety and health. It could be said that it should be regarded as a strategic objective enabling organization to generate human awareness for compliance with occupational safety and health standards, creating a culture within and outside the organization in relation to safety and health at work. This merger will guarantee benefits as added value related to the good name of the company, increase in productivity, decrease in rates of accidents at work, and occupational diseases. This will help to reduce cost, reduction of impact on the environment, among others, which will make it more competitive in the market to any organization. Thank you.